In front of me is an OPPO A77, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode, which will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. Now, I'll mention a couple more important things which aren't necessarily related to this, but they might be important to some of you. So, like I said, this process removes screen locks, but typically when doing this, your device afterwards will become FRP locked, meaning that once you go into the setup process, you'll need to verify either the previously used screen lock or the logged in Google account that is on this device. You will be able to choose either one of those as a verification method. Now, obviously, if you know, for instance, your Google account, that's no problem. You can just unlock it. But if you don't know either of those for some odd reason, I would normally, and I'll also be making it for this, so anyway, normally you could do a bypass, which I do record myself, and I will be making one for this device as well. But unlike typically, on this device, I will be only able to bypass the Google verification as long as this device has a PIN. If it has anything else like pattern or password, this will not work, unfortunately. So I want to mention this right off the bat, just so everyone is aware, and obviously for everyone looking for bypass, it will only work with the device if it has a PIN. Anyway, so with this being said, I'm just gonna start off, and you can see I do have a PIN set specifically for the next video, but we're gonna progress from here as though I don't know my screen lock. So we need to hold our power button and volume up at the same time, then simply swipe down to turn off the device. The phone will turn off, and once it does so, you want to hold, I believe it was volume down and power button. We'll find out in a second if it worked or not. And it did. So you can see at the bottom we have recovery mode. Once you see this, you can let go of both of those keys, and the device will now continue to boot into this recovery mode. Here we're just gonna tap on our desired language and select format data. It brings us this verification code, so we just need to simply type the code that is written right here. So for me it's 7324. Brings up a window. All user data will be reset. So obviously if you have anything on your device, you might want to create a copy of it. But if you don't have an access to your device, you won't be able to do so. Just want to point that out. Anyway, I'm gonna select format. Now this will begin a process. And once it's finished, we're gonna select OK. And it's gonna reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now it might take it couple minutes to finish this up, so just be patient. Once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.